Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you all my recipe for stewed shrimp. If you like my mom's stewed fish recipe, you all are definitely going to love this one. So let's just jump straight into the recipe. Let me show you how easy it is to put together. So to start this, I have my shrimp already cleaned and deveined. I'm going in with salt to taste, black pepper, and green seasoning. You want to give this a good mix, and after mixing I decided, you know what would go really nice in here? Some fish seasoning. So I'm going in with some fish seasoning, and remember this contains salt, so just be careful how much salt you add when you season your shrimp. Now once you finish seasoning it, you're going to set it aside and allow it to marinate for about 10 to 15 minutes. In the meantime, let's make our sauce. So I like using tomato ketchup. If you want, you can use some tomato paste and thin it out with some water. So add in your tomato ketchup to your bowl, and then next goes in some oyster flavored sauce. Next, I'm going to add in some sesame oil. Now, to help this give it a really nice vibrant red color, I'm adding some annatto or roucou powder, and I'm going to give that a mix. To this, I'm also going to put in a splash of dark soy sauce, just a splash because you don't want it to get too dark, and mix that. Now add in some water to create a sauce. If you put it thick like this, you're going to get a really thick sauce. I want a nice runny consistency for when I have to eat this with rice or provision. Set that aside, and then we're going to take our shrimp now and dredge it in some seasoned flour. The flour I just seasoned with the same fish seasoning. Drop that into your hot oil. And you want your oil to be really hot because we're flash frying these. We want the outside to get really brown fast, but we still want the inside to be halfway cooked. So once it's at that stage, you're going to take them out and drain them on your paper towels. Set them aside, and in a big skillet, add some oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, we're going to go in with ginger and garlic, and we're going to allow that to saute for about 20 seconds. Make sure your heat isn't too high, so put it on a medium-low. Now I'm adding in carrots, and I'm adding in the carrots now because carrots takes longer to cook, so you want to give that a chance to cook before you add the other vegetables. In goes pimento peppers and the white of a scallion. Season with a pinch of salt and allow that to cook for 1 minute. After that 1 minute, your carrot should be nice and halfway cooked. Now add in your peppers, and I'm using colored bell peppers and some red onion. You can use white. In goes the green part of the scallion, and we're going to toss that to cook. So we're going to let this saute in here for about a minute. I like my vegetables tender crisp, after which we'll add in our sauce. Season with some Chinese seasoning salt. And this adds so much more flavor to this recipe. Give that a mix. And we're going to bring this up to a simmer. Once it's simmering away, it's now time to add in your shrimp. Now guys, I use the shrimp here, but you can use any other type of seafood you like, or you can switch the shrimp out for mushrooms. So you're just going to toss to coat with that delicious sauce. You would want to taste and adjust your salt at this point. After which you'll just finish with some chopped scallions at the end. And then this would be ready to be served. How easy, delicious does this look, and simple. I hope you all enjoyed today's recipe. Make it. Let me know down below what you think. Thank you all so much for watching. Leave me your comments, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.